So all you need, like I said earlier, a little bit of strip board, and you need some angled header connector. That's 0.1 inch or 2.54 millimeter pin spacing, standard stuff. So angled and straight, let's just cut off some 6. Try to hold on to the end so it don't go flying off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 there. And then cut off 6. You can snap them in your fingers if you prefer. Try to hold both bits like that. And then now hopefully you've cleaned up that edge. If you're working in my classroom, just use the guillotine just to chop it, or we could do it on the bandsaw. So that one's going to go like that. You're obviously going to be poking in from that side, soldering on this side. I'm just going to rest that down like that. Like always, I'm just going to do one solder joint first and flip it over, just check that it looks alright. So that looks quite good. And then I'll do the other end. Notice I've got my finger on the board to just keep things held down, stop them sliding around. We have got PCB stands in the classroom, but of course then the thing might fall out. It's probably easier if you've just got it rested down on something. So they're soldered. You can see how quick this is going to be to make. Don't put it in that one. I know it's neat, but then I don't think that will work. I think I might oh no, that will be too low to the breadboard. So you want to go up one like that. Make sure that they're in alignment, which these ones are. I've put it into the breadboard. I normally don't recommend doing that because I think it gets the breadboard a bit hot, but if you're quick like me, it's okay. I'm not applying a tremendous amount of heat. There you go. Okay. You might want to check with the multimeter just to make sure that you haven't bridged any of those tracks. And then you're going to be placing this in your board like that, and then like that, and that works. Okay, and that's it.